I welcome everyone to the new video of Dedicators. Here we are with a new system of working on the rainwater harvesting. As we all know, pH plays a very important role in everyday's life. In the cases like blood in our bodies, growing vegetables, plating chrome on the car bumpers. Even in the case of water treatment, mainly in the processes such as disinfection, coagulation, corrosion control, which are mainly pH dependent. Here again, as I said, we are with the idea using pH, automation of rainwater harvesting using Raspberry Pi. Automation of rainwater harvesting using Raspberry Pi. Let's project a pH 5.6 in a smart network connected device which mainly focuses on how to save water and utilize it properly. Its structure includes a main tank which is attached to a few auxiliary tanks through electronic valves. The main tank collects rainwater and wastewater from and around the house and through LDR sensors. It judges the clarity and accordingly puts it into different tanks. Now the question arises, what is LDR? Light dependent resistors. So then there will be three tanks in which the water should be stored. One is for the clear water, the second one is for the moderately clear water, and the last one, that is the third one, is for least clear water. Once the tank is full, the ultrasound sensor will send a signal to LDR to start the processing the water, that is, to segregate water based on the clarity. The water will be poured out to one of the three tanks. After the process, it will be controlled by a single Linux powered control Raspberry Pi embedded on a device itself. This helps to save water by making it easy and convenient to the user to save and utilize the water. The user has to do nothing at all, just use the water in whatever way he or she deems appropriate. Auto segregation solves the problem of the user not being able to decide how to use water. Now, let's focus on the block diagram of the rainwater harvesting using Raspberry Pi. Rainwater or any recyclable water is being filled in the main tank or main collection tank, that is MCT. MCT is filled with a LDR, that is light dependent resistor, to check the clarity of water. Also, we'll be inserting an ultrasound sensor to check the percentage. After checking the percentage, if it exceeds 90%, the segregation begins. The first step is water checking clarity, that is water clarity is being checked. So first, if water clarity is very high, water is being emptied into the auxiliary tank 1. If water clarity is moderately high, water is emptied into auxiliary tank 2. If water clarity is being very low, the third case, the water is emptied into auxiliary tank 3. Now, the next question arises, that is this project has any technical importance or any technical stuffs are being implemented on it? Yes. We have creation of a digital ecosystem and its benefits. We will create an application to connect the system. We can set an alarm on the app to disperse water towards the garden and water the plants on a particular time. This will surely make our lives quicker and efficient and help us in watering the plants with zero effort on our side. It will be useful for the gardening with day jobs, whoever have no time to look after their plants. Cross-platform apps for Windows 10, Android and iOS. Smarter auto segregation which helps of other factors of water such as acidity, oxygen level, bacteria count, etc. The user and community in a particular region will be able to set water collection goals. The overall progress of goal will be listed, and also the app will judge the total number of rainwater you can collect by analyzing the weather pattern. The final implementation, that is, the tanks can be powered by solar panels. Then, next case, let's see the scope of research. The government or concerned authorities can use rainwater collection data for the survey purpose, analyzations, and prediction purpose. Agencies can use the data to know how much water is being currently saved and what kind of impact it can have on the world. Agencies concerned with the pollution can also use the water clarity numbers to know how polluted our water is and where is the problem being caused. This can be useful in lot of ways. So yes, the dependencies or the useful links have been shown. Thank you.